Tired of manually following up with every single lead? Let's dive right into how you can activate a nurture action plan to multiple contacts simultaneously in Follow Up Boss, saving you time and boosting your lead conversion. First, navigate to your contact list in Follow Up Boss. Select the contacts you want to include in the action plan by checking the boxes next to their names. You can select as many contacts as needed. Once you've chosen your contacts, look for the Bulk Actions menu typically located at the top or bottom of your contact list. Click on the Bulk Actions menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down menu, select Apply Action Plan. A window will appear displaying a list of your available action plans. Scroll through the list to find the Nurture action plan you want to activate for these contacts. Once you've located the correct action plan, click on it to select it, then click the Apply button. Follow Up Boss will then start applying the action plan to each of the selected contacts. You may see a confirmation message or a progress bar indicating the process is underway. After the process is complete, verify that the action plan has been successfully applied by checking the action plan column in your contact list. You should see the name of the Nurture action plan listed next to each contact you selected. Now you're all set with automated follow-up.